What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. You guys see what's going down. Before we get started, guys, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date with what's been going on. Now, I know you guys all got that email the same way I did. You see what's going on right now. Cactus Jack, McDonald's collab, merch, part 2 going down right now. I wanted to just make a quick video about this because I didn't really know what the direction was for resale kind of off of the first drop, just because there was so much. But I noticed in this latest cactus pack, whatever you want to call it, Cactus Jack, McDonald's merch collab part 2, that most of the pieces, if not all of them, from yesterday's drop were actually sold out, which you guys can see at the bottom of the page. So with that being said, that kind of says something to the effect of resale value. I think that some of those pieces from the drop yesterday are going to go, not necessarily through the roof, but I definitely think that they're going to go up in value because they're no longer able to be purchased, beyond what was the actual merch drop date, aka yesterday, I think September 9th. Yep. So personally, guys, I think that it's safe to say that a lot of this merch will eventually resell, if not immediately, then a couple months down the line, as with most things. I was kind of worried because of the amount of actual pieces in the drop yesterday, but now that I see that they pulled it off the website back end and it's now no longer available for sale, I think that that's only going to make the resale go up. If he starts dropping a different type of little merch collab every single day, the same way he's doing part 1, part 2, we can expect to see a part 3 tomorrow. He's kind of flooding the market with it, but it is Travis Scott and everything sells. So personally, I think it wouldn't be a bad option to start picking up some of these pieces, like I said, because it is looking like they are selling out the same day or the day of. So I wouldn't expect the stuff you see in this drop, like these house slippers, for example, to actually stay in stock beyond today or tomorrow, whatever. But like you guys can see here, yesterday's stock is actually sold out. Good news and bad news. Bad news for those of you who were not able to cop yesterday. Good news for those of you who, were able to cop, go in and get multiple pieces. So congratulations. I think that it's going to resell for a lot. I think that there's a lot of actual attention and hype going into this McDonald's merch collab, so maybe that's why they're making some of these pieces more limited. So really, I want to know your guys' opinion if you're going to go ahead and cop anything from this actual new merch part 2 today. I'm going to go ahead and toss up some of my favorite new pieces in the actual end of this video right here, just to see your guys' opinion. This was like a piece, this chicken nugget pillow. I didn't know how it was going to do, but as you guys can see, they went ahead and pulled off those pieces from merch drop part 1 yesterday. It's no longer for sale. So let me know what you guys think, man. Are you guys going to cop anything from part 2 today? Like I said, they're putting a lot of effort into this collab. A lot of McDonald's, if not all of them, probably in the US, are participating. So I think that they're going to definitely try to get their money's worth, and it's definitely only going to hype the brand up even more. So some of my favorite pieces, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and talk about them. I think some of these tees are actually going to resell, if not for a crazy amount of money, at least for some money, just because they are unique. Personally, I really like the action figure vibe that they've been giving off. This tee right here, for example, is kind of low effort. I don't know how many people are really going to want to have, that little meal on their shirt, but it is what it is. I actually really like this tee right here, the cactus sauce, again, featuring that, Cactus Jack action figure that we all would have loved to cop. Personally, I think McDonald's missed a cool opportunity, like I said yesterday, where the branding for this actual drop could have been really cool. I think that the burger itself could have come in like a special Cactus Jack wrapping, the same way some of the sneaker boxes come for his collabs. This is another tee that I really like right there. This whole vibe that he had on the cover of the Rodeo album with the action figure standing on top of that Jeep or monster truck, whatever it was on the album cover, as you guys can see right here. So it's cool to see them still bringing that back. Like I was saying, I think McDonald's missed out on a little opportunity for some cool branding options with this drop. I think that they could have had the box itself come in a collector's edition box that would have resold, and at least, if not all, certain meals should have come with the toy that would have resold. But it is what it is, guys. Anyways, let me know if you guys are copping anything from this new drop, and let me know what you guys think of the drop in general, or if he's been putting out way too much stuff. As always, thank you guys for your time. Thank you guys for the support. Only good things coming our way, guys. Thank you guys for keeping it cool, and stay safe, guys. Take it easy. Peace.